Hi everyone, this video is for CMA final students. As requested by you all, I preparing the smart study videos for CMA final third group and also for fourth group. This video is for the subject called law, paper 13, law, corporate law and other laws. First, you have to focus the corporate governance portion, because it will ask in exam for 15 marks. There are two chapters in corporate governance. You have to prepare with your study material. From your study material, you have to prepare thoroughly, because the corporate governance portion is also in the syllabus of CA course and also CS course, but you have to focus your study material, you have to focus your previous year question paper and answers. So prepare from these sources. Corporate governance, surely it will come in the examination for 15 marks. And after that, you have to focus on IBC, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. It is a very small act, but it is a complicated act. Practical questions will come from this act, not theoretical question. But in corporate governance, theoretical questions will ask. You can write in your own language. But in IBC, you should write according to the act. The provisions, the keywords, practical questions will come. So do practical questions from IBC. So 15 mark from corporate governance, 10 mark from IBC. 25 mark covered there, and for part B, which means it will come for 25 mark, which you should cover Companies Act, directors portion, investigation portion, amalgamation, and also small areas like in CLT, special court, like that areas. You can see the portions in the screen. From these areas, Institute will ask 25 mark questions, because previous year question pattern is like that. Then after this part B is over, you have to focus on part C, which is other laws. There are a lot of other laws in the syllabus of CMA. My personal experience, I studied CA law and also CMA law. CMA law comparatively it a wider area, because a number of acts are there. We have to cover a wide area in CMA law. So you should focus which areas I should study more. Then part C, you have to cover SEBI LODR regulations, SEBI ICDR regulations, then Competition Act and FEMA. These four acts you should study, because questions will come, definitely will come from these acts. I'm not saying you not study other act. First you have to cover this A, B, C. Then you will get a confidence. From this you can easily score 50 mark. Above 50 is possible, but minimum 50 you will get from these areas. So study according to this, prepare well for your exam. All the very best. Thank you.